the service elevator here at the Administration Education Building at Beaumont Hospital in Royal Oak, Michigan. Couldn't get to it on the first floor. It's behind a locked door, but can easily get to it on the lower level. Look at this. We got something in here. All right, we'll just pull this out of the way. This will be interesting. Here we are at 3. Go close button works. This one's marked elevator number 4. Here's the phone. See if we can go to 1. Nope, 1, everything is locked off. Go to 2. Get a cab view. It's a big elevator. It's a service elevator. It's very nice. All right, that'll be it.